Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can insert and format maps in PowerPoint. To insert a map into your presentation, go to Insert in the ribbon, click on Chart, and select Map from the pop-up window. This will insert a map into your presentation, and a new Excel window will open where you can edit the values for each country. If you just want a single country, edit the sheet to only have that one country. Enter the location of the country you want a map of in the first column, and enter a value, if needed, into the second column. Based on the locations you enter into the sheet, the map will change to show all the possible locations. Once you've selected the locations you need, you may close the Excel window. If you ever want to go back to the Excel sheet, simply click on the map, go to Chart Design in the ribbon, and select Edit Data. Now let's take a look at how you can format your map. Based on where you right-click on your map, you get different options such as Format Chart Area, Format Plot Area, Format Data Series, and more. If you want to format the actual map, right-click on the map and you will see the Format Data Series option. Clicking on this will open a sidebar where you can format the map. On the right panel, you have the option to format different parts of your map. For example, if you want to set the colors for the maximum and minimum values under the Series Color option, pick any color you want. You can customize any part of the map by clicking on this drop-down menu as shown. That's pretty much all you need to know about inserting a map into PowerPoint using the features found in PowerPoint itself. There are, however, many limitations while adding maps using the steps I just mentioned. For example, if you just want to add a few places or create a slide zoom animation like this, there is an easier way to add maps into your PowerPoint presentation. Check out Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint add-in that comes with plenty of themes, templates, and you guessed it, maps. Just search for the map you need, add it to your slide with just a click, and it is easy as that. Now let's take a look at how you can create this slide in PowerPoint. After adding your map, make changes to it as you need. Duplicate the slide and change the color of a place you want to highlight. Expand the map beyond the slide and reposition the highlighted place onto the slide. Send it to the back to make the text visible. Add some text to the slide as well. Now duplicate the slide again and change the place you want to highlight and reposition the map again. Add some text here as well. Finally, select all the slides and apply the morph transition. Well, there you have it, a quick and easy video on using maps in PowerPoint. Be sure to check out Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint add-in for free. The link is in the description.